Hey there, welcome back to Welvabex. If you have diabetes, you might have noticed your skin feeling dry, itchy, and irritated, but don't worry, you're not alone. Skin problems are common with diabetes, but the good news is that you don't need expensive treatments to fix them. In today's video, I'll be sharing 5 powerful home remedies that will soothe, hydrate, and heal your skin naturally. So, make sure to watch till the end because remedy number 5 is a game changer. Why does diabetes cause skin problems? Diabetes affects your blood circulation and moisture balance, leading to dry, cracked, and itchy skin. High blood sugar can also cause inflammation and infections, making it even worse. That's why taking care of your skin naturally is super important. These remedies will help you lock in moisture, reduce irritation, and protect your skin without any side effects. 1. Aloe Vera Gel. Deep hydration and healing. Aloe vera is a natural moisturizer that also has anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties. Apply fresh aloe vera gel to the affected areas, leave it on for 20 minutes, then rinse. It helps to soothe dryness and reduce redness. 2. Coconut oil locks in moisture. Coconut oil is rich in fatty acids that help to repair dry and cracked skin. Apply a small amount before bed and let it work overnight for soft, healthy skin. 3. Oatmeal bath relieves itching instantly. If you have itchy, irritated skin, an oatmeal bath is your best friend. Oatmeal has soothing compounds that reduce redness and dryness. Just add 1 cup of ground oatmeal to warm bath water and soak for 15 minutes. 4. Turmeric and honey mask. Natural anti-inflammatory. Turmeric is known for its healing properties, and honey is a natural humectant that keeps your skin hydrated. Mix 1 teaspoon of turmeric with 1 tablespoon of honey, apply it to the affected areas, leave for 10 minutes and rinse with warm water. 5. Hydration and diet. The internal remedy. No remedy works without proper hydration. Make sure to drink at least 8 glasses of water daily and include omega-3 rich foods like flax seeds, walnuts, and fish to help nourish your skin from within. So, there you have it, 5 simple yet powerful home remedies to help you deal with diabetes-related skin issues naturally. Which remedy are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments below, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Welvabex for more natural wellness tips. See you in the next video.